In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily put status on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first of open up WhatsApp app. And then at the bottom toolbar, you can easily find status. We can get into it, and that's where we can set status on WhatsApp. We can use our camera to take a picture, or we can use this pencil tool. If we tap on it, we'll be able to create text status for WhatsApp. Right here we can enter some text. We can tap at that icon to change font. Also we can tap at that icon to change that background color. And then we can tap right here to change visibility or privacy. For that status, we can set it to my contacts or to my contacts, accept or only share with. And in this case, we'll be able to check. Mark those users whom we want to share our status with. And then once you're done with that, we can tap at send, and that will publish our status. We can check our current status right here. We can just stop at that circle, and here it is. Now you can write down in the comments below. If you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.